Alright guys, real quick, I want to show you guys a signal here, a potential signal for a continuous trend. And now what we're looking at here, we're going to go to FinViz real quick. I want to show you real quick. If you go to finviz.com, you go to FOREX under performance. Now I know I haven't made a video in a while guys, but I'm going to start to. But I wanted to jump right in because this is time is of the essence right now. If you guys jump into this video while this is still going on, good. If not, you can use it as a lesson. But in FinViz here, Euro right now is ridiculously strong, 1.07%. Look at this on 1 day relative. Japanese yen is weak. So you pair those two together, Euro, Japanese yen. All right. Here we are looking at it right now. Where we're looking at right now, where I'm pointing at right now. Look at it. Let's look at it in the 4-hour chart. Look at this huge rise here on this trend. When we zoom out to the daily, I put a black line here where the previous resistance was, and that's where the black line is. Now if we zoom out to the hourly chart, we have the sideways action right here, and I got a feeling I'm going to put a line right here, right there. Let me change this line to a little bit. Time is of the essence. I'm trying to do this fast guys because we can lose this opportunity, but I'm going to put this trade right for a potential buy, for a potential bull right there, 144.03. Let's go ahead and get this started. 144.03 on a pending order on a buy stop is what you call that, and it's at 144.03. okay guys, that's a buy stop. We're going to do a volume of 0.02. I'm going to place that sucker there for now. That's a buy. So if it reaches there, it's going to buy. Now we're going to go ahead and click and drag and put the stop loss. Well, I guess that's the buy stop. My bad. Let's put it back to where it was. Around right there. Let's go ahead and open up that order. Okay. Let's go ahead and change this order. So we're in. If it reaches this line up here, I think it's still going to keep going up, guys, because it is strong. And this is just a quick trade. We want to put our stop loss right here where we're pointing. Let's zoom in. I'm going to put my stop loss right underneath it. Probably around here. Underneath it. That'll be my stop loss at 143.71. Now let's do some quick math real quick. And this is how I do it, guys. I know I'm going really fast. This is because this is a potential trade here. We're right live, right in the middle of it. So what you do is take 144.03 of your entry. All right, that's entry. The stop loss we have at 143.71. Okay. This is how we're gonna do a 2-to-1 ratio for the take profit. All right, that means when we win, it'll win twice as much as what we would lose. If you guys don't know what that is, go ahead and Google it. And so what we're going to do is 144.03 minus 143.71. Am I doing that correctly? Yeah. So that's 32 pips. So we got to take 32 times 2. That's our take profit. It has to be 64 more than 144.03. So 64, remember that, guys. So 144.03 plus 0.66. That's our take profit, 144.69. Okay, we're going to open up that. Our take profit will be 144.69. 144.69. And remember the stop loss, 143.71. 143.71. Am I doing that right? Hold on a sec. Yeah, 144.69 and 143.71 for the stop loss. Go ahead and modify that. Boom. Okay, so our stop loss is down here. If we lose, we only lose $4.58. Now check this out. If we win, we win. Come on, show me. $9. So that right there is a 2-to-1 ratio is what they call it. That means if you win 2 times more. If you lose, you lose half of what the profit would be. What this means is when you win, you will win more than when you lose. And if you keep this type of strategy, guys, because you're going to win. If you win 60% of your trades, 60%, that's just a little bit over half, and you have the 2-to-1 ratio, you will be in profit. A lot of traders do this backwards. Now, this is a set and forget method. I'm just going to set this, forget it, and we'll see what happens later. I will make a video on the results. Thank you guys. If you guys have questions, go ahead and comment on the comment section of the video. I am getting back to trading and making more videos here. So bear with me here if I'm a little rusty. But that's how you place a buy stop. So the trade hasn't opened yet. It's when it reaches there is when it'll open. Let's go ahead and go to, we're doing this on the 1 hour time frame. We're doing a breakout method because I'm seeing the sideways action here. And when we look at FinViz, it's powerful. Look at this. Euro is really strong, and Japanese is really weak. And that's why I think this is going to be a short-term trade. Because if you take a look at the daily, this is going to turn around soon, especially this black bar right here. I'm counting on it going over the black line here. I call it a bar because it's pretty thick. There's a possibility it might hit that bar and then come back down and hit my stop loss. But look at this huge green candle, guys. That's telling me that sucker is gonna freaking, yeah. Only if it, because right now it's sideways, so that means the momentum is building, and I think it's gonna trigger here, and hopefully, if we zoom out to H4, actually daily chart, it'll reach our take profit up here. That's a 2-to-1 ratio, and if you guys don't understand it, go ahead and Google it. Type in FOREX. Actually, let's do that right now. Let's do that right now. Let's go FOREX. FOREX, I think they call it win-loss ratio. Total number of winning trades to the number of losing trades. All right, guys? And go ahead and I recommend you guys look into this. If you notice here, they're going to talk a 2-to-3 ratio. There's the one we're doing is a 2-to-1 ratio, and it explains it pretty good here, guys. There is limitations also, but I recommend you guys look at that, what we did here. So if we lose, we only lose a little bit. When we win twice as much. And if you keep a 60% win ratio, that means if you're right 60% of the time, it's going to be good. And it looks like this trend might be over extended, right? But we'll see what happens. I have that buy stop in place. I'm just going to set and forget. That way your emotions never stop you or hinder you. I recommend placing these type of trades where you have a buy stop, a stop loss on the bottom, a take profit on top. Do that calculation like the one I did real quick. And set and forget, guys. I'm just going to set it, forget it. I'll check again in about 4 hours. This is a 1 hour chart I'm using, so I might check every hour, every 4 hours. I'm not going to come back home till later on tonight. I need to set up the app on my phone. You could do that if you download the, I think it's MQ4 app on your phone. You can go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. This is a new video. I haven't made videos in a while. You guys that are still subscribed, go ahead and hit that like button. Comment on the comment section what you guys want me to explain. I will make these videos every time I make a trade. But like I showed you guys in my very one of my most popular videos shows this technique. If you guys want more explanations how this technique works, let me know. FinViz is a free website. Finviz.com. Go to Forex, go to Performance tab, and here you could see the best trade you could do. Now, like I said, this trend is overextended. So I'm looking for a short-term entry up here, and hopefully it'll hit my take profit. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like the video, and let me know what you think. Have a good one.